English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. So, as far as the improvement of the transmission system is concerned, the materials which are already used for construction of the towers and for the transmission line have become very old. Maintenance is not properly done. As rightly pointed out, for the proper maintenance of the system, we require a lot of money. On the one side, we require investment for generation of power, and on the other side, we require a lot of fund for the improvement of the transmission system. Over period of time, there has been a step motherly treatment. Rather, the transmission sector has been neglected. In fact, suggestions were made that equal investment would have to be made for generation, transmission, as well as distribution, since the transmission and distribution sector have been neglected today. We are running up with a shortage of power. The minister will have to clarify how, by authorizing this central transmitting utility or the state transmission utilities, how they propose to augment a resource which can be reinvested in improving the transmission system, except that there is a mention about granting the license by the collecting a prescribed fee. Here is no other provision which entitles augmentation of resource of reinvestment in this sector. Then it will also have to be ensured that the resources mobilized by granting license for transmission and by leaving the operation for transmission, the entire resources will have to be reinvested for the improvement and upkeep of the transmission system. And today, as we'll see, like the example we have in my state Karnataka, we have two different bodies on for generating the power, that is the Karnataka Power Corporation, then the State Electricity Board. For transmission and distribution, it is seen that the generating company is always making profits, but not to the tune to which it ought to have made, because the other entity, that is the electricity board, which involves transmission and distribution, has to give a lot of money to the generating company. Why does this problem come? Why can the transmission and distribution not be properly compensated? Why can resource not be mobilized? By ensuring a proper transmission distribution of the system, we will have to improve the transmission system. No doubt, because everybody would like to have quality power supply at the point of payment.